Hi there. Well, there is growing concern all across Southern California, as you mentioned, not only with public health officials, but hospitals in the area, including Providence Cedars-Sinai here in Tarzana, where you see COVID safety precautions in place. Well, that's after the 4th of July, a spike in COVID cases, contagious subvariants, two of them reinfecting people who already had Omicron, warning everyone to take extra precautions.
I've had to go to medical school and do 6 years of training. That's a whole 10 years to have the privilege of being able to save someone's life. Your viewers can do that by simply just putting on a mask. Just doing that in an indoor setting can save somebody else's life.
That's Dr. Thomas Yedigar. He says masking up indoors will help the community to help prevent the spread of COVID and to protect the elderly and those with underlying health conditions nationwide. The BA.5 subvariant could be the most contagious version of the virus that we've seen so far. That's according to Dr. Eric Topol at the Scripps Research Institute in La Jolla. He says even people infected as recently as last month, that it no longer provides, quote, robust protection from reinfection. Both BA4 and BA5 are the dominant strains causing new infections, but experts say there's little evidence right now to suggest the two new strains are making people more ill. Dr. Anne Remoyne warns just because it may not cause more severe illness, infections could create long-term COVID symptoms or worse.
It still can wreak a lot of havoc. And still people can get very sick and still die from this virus. Mask up when you're indoors, take your activities outdoors, eat outdoors, and get boosted if you haven't yet. Unvaccinated individuals are more likely to get COVID-19 than people who are vaccinated and boosted.
Here in California, the CDC says 2/3 of counties are now in the high COVID community level, and they recommend indoor masking in public areas. Yesterday, LA County reported a positivity rate of almost 15% and nearly 900 people treated in hospitals, compared to just a month ago when the rate was 3.6% with more than 500 COVID patients hospitalized. So far, LA County health officials have not imposed new masking rules, but warned if numbers continue to climb, it may be mandatory to mask up indoors again as early as later this month. Health officials say vaccines and boosters are still key to preventing severe illness, going to the hospital, and death, and unvaccinated people were at least 5 times more likely to get COVID than those who were vaccinated. And that's according to the California Department of Public Health. Almost 8 times more likely to end up in the hospital and nearly 15 times more likely to die from COVID. But as we heard from public health officials and doctors today, they say take every precaution necessary because they warn that the pandemic is far from being over. Reporting here in Tarzana, Gene Kang. Back to you in the studio.